Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the Discord webhook. Go to the channel, open integrations, and create webhook, then copy the webhook URL. Next, make sure you have admin or manage webhooks permissions in Discord and write access to the GitHub repository, because you will add a repo-level webhook. Once those are ready, choose the GitHub events you need. Push events for commits, pull request events for reviews, or release events for deployments. Make these choices now. They determine payload contents and frequency. In GitHub, create the webhook by pasting the Discord webhook URL into settings right arrow webhooks, right arrow add webhook. Set the content type to application/JSON so Discord receives JSON payloads. Then select either just the push event or let me select individual events depending on your needs. If you want security, add a secret. GitHub will sign each payload with HMAC, and you can verify it if you proxy the request. Otherwise, Discord accepts the payload directly. Save the webhook, then trigger a test payload to validate. Once saved, trigger a test from GitHub or push a commit to generate a real payload. Then check the Discord channel for the message. Discord expects a specific JSON structure. If the raw GitHub payload looks messy, add a small GitHub action or middleware to format content into embeds, concise text, and clear fields. If messages fail, open the webhook delivery log in GitHub to see status codes. Verify the content type is application/JSON. Confirm the secret matches if used, and ensure network or permission blocks are addressed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.